Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 53. Having abandoned egoism, power, arrogance, desire, anger, and aggrandizement, and freed from the notion of mind and therefore peaceful, he is fit to become Brahman.
Chapter 18, Shloka 53. Ahankaram balam darpam kamam krodam parigraham vimuchya nirmama shanto brahma bhuyaya kalpate.
Chapter 18, Shloka 53. Efforts described in the previous shlokas can be successful only when the inner personality has a deep foundation upon certain enduring values of life which are described in this shloka. After the outer aspects of the meditator's personality have been developed, here we have a list of things which are required to be renounced from the inner. The 6 items listed in this shloka are the manifestations of I act mentality, ahamkara. As by dropping these, one becomes egoless, nirmama, and peaceful, shanta. This is the peace that arises out of the fullness of wisdom, out of absolute satisfaction, experienced in the realm of perfection. When the I act mentality develops, egocentric vanities start collecting within, which manifest as power, pride, or arrogance. When under the influence of both power and arrogance, lust and anger are natural. The ego expresses as restlessness and disturbances around and works to acquire, possess, and aggrandize the objects of the world by means fair or foul. When the sense of agency and the ego's endless seeking of sense gratification is renounced, the seeker experiences a relative quiet. Seeker's mind becomes balanced and equipoised to move forward to discover the higher. This is the preliminary preparation for the final realization. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.